Good afternoon, class 12th. Today we are going to start one of the very major topic of this unit, that is SWOT analysis. Okay, I know you are all aware of this technical word. I think that is SWOT analysis. That is um, in class 11th also I had made project, and in the last all the time you are supposed to make a synopsis. That is basically SWOT analysis. Okay, so today in deeply we are going to study what is SWOT analysis. Is that clear? See, SWOT analysis, this word is divided into four parts, that is SWOTs. That is S for stands for strength, W stands for weakness, O stands for opportunities, and T stands for threats. Is that clear? Class 12th, there are many factors that are available in the market which can be favorable and which can be unfavorable for a business, for a business or say company. Every time company is supposed to screen or scan what are the various favorable factors and unfavorable factors that are available to any business. It has to be screened, it has to be scanned by each and every business enterprises. SWOT is the acronym for strength, weakness, opportunities, and threats, as I told you. SWOT involves identifying SWOT involves identifying the internal and external factors. Is that clear? What is SWOT? It is identifying internal and external factors that are favorable also and even unfavorable to achieve the objectives of a business. In front of any business there can be many factors which are favorable and as well as unfavorable. What SWOT do? SWOT identifies that what are the internal factors, what are the various internal factors and external factors that can be favorable and unfavorable. Why we are scanning favorable factors? Because we want to grab various favorable factors that are there in our environment. And why we are screening unfavorable factors? Because we want to eliminate or eradicate all those unfavorable factors from the path of our company which are coming in between in the objective of achieving our goals. That is why the screening of SWOT is required. The aim of SWOT. What is the aim of SWOT analysis, class 12? It is to identify the key and external factors, key internal and external factors that are important to achieve an organizational objective, as I told you. Okay. Now, now listen very carefully. This SWOT, in that SW, that is S and W, relates to the internal factor of organization. SW represent that is strength and weakness of an organization, represent internal factors of the organization, whereas OT, that is opportunity and threats, relates to the external to the organization. It is internal and it is external, means SW is internal and OT is external. Is that clear? Now, strength and weakness, it is needed to be analyzed very deeply. That is, what are the various strength points available in front of a company and what are the various weakness points or factors that are there in the company. This both needed to be analyzed in deep so that we can work on this and can grab various opportunities that are there in the external environment. Why we are screening strength, class 12th? Because we continuous screening of strength points, continuous deep analysis of the factors that can prove strength to the company needed to be analyzed so that we can grab these opportunities that are there in the external environment. कई सारे ऐसे फैक्टर्स होते हैं क्लास 12 in the market that can act as opportunity to us. We are supposed to grab all those opportunities through our strength points. So that is why continuous analysis of the strength is very important, and even continuous analysis of the opportunities are very important, so that we can grab these opportunities that are there in the market with our strength points. And why weaknesses are has to be analyzed, why weaknesses of the organization needed to be analyzed. Weakness of the organization needed to be analyzed because through we want to eliminate our weaknesses. Whatever weakness factor we are having, means companies having, this weakness factors needed to be eliminated from that of the organization. And why threats are needed to be analyzed. Threats matlab whatever you can say बाधाएं जो आने वाली है कंपनी में, that threats needed to be analyzed before the time, before time only, not after the destruction. Before time only these threats are needed to be analyzed, so that we can eliminate, same we can eliminate these threats by various plans and strategies. This is SWOT analysis. Opportunities, strengths and weaknesses are viewed as a factor internal to the organization, whereas opportunities and threats are considered as external to the organization. Basically, what is SWOT? SWOT involves matching of the internal capacities, that is strength and weaknesses, to the with the opportunities and threats emerging in the environment. A scan of both internal and external is essential. Why? Why we are doing this scanning? We are doing this scanning before strategic planning, because in the strategic planning of the company form of our organization, we will introduce only those points that are strength to us, and will try to eliminate our weakness points. We will try to grab our opportunities in our strategic planning, and will try to eliminate threat points that are there for us in the external world. For us, we will try to eliminate in our strategic planning. That is why it has been said that SWOT helps the management in formulating various strategies of the environment. It is very helpful for management in formulating various strategies of the enterprise. Strategies are planned after the deep analysis of SWOT. Okay. SWOT requires a management to look at every aspect of its operation analytically. This approach provides a logical framework for analyzing internal capacities, that is strength and weakness. मतलब एक रीम व्यू देता है इंटरनल स्ट्रेंथ एंड वीकनेसेस पे, एंड रीम व्यू देता है एक्सटर्नल अपॉर्चुनिटीज एंड एक्सटर्नल थ्रेट्स पे. An organization's internal and external situations are matched with the formulating strategies. It links internal capacities of the organization with that of the external conditions of the with the external environment. This is SWOT analysis.